Hello! So, here's the box I've been waiting for 6 weeks and 2 days. This is my Katabatic Gear Palisade 30-degree quilt. I'm very excited to have this. It's good that it came today and not last weekend, or I would have forced myself to go camping in the rain, which I know that you need to be able to camp in adverse weather, but you don't want to do it on purpose on your maiden voyage for anything. That just seems like you're tempting fate. So this finally came. I'm oh so excited. A couple of things about Katabatic gear. Besides, everybody's got lead times. They're no different. This is a 30-degree quilt. Now, most quilts, when they say 30 degrees, they generally are talking about a survivability rating. It's universally agreed to that Katabatic is very conservative with their ratings. When they say 30 degrees, they mean 30 degrees comfortably, wearing maybe like shorts and a t-shirt, right? Whereas some of the other ones, yeah, it's a 20-degree quilt. It's super popular, but it's only good to 20 degrees if you're a warm sleeper, you're wearing thermals and a puffy with a hood. I'm not slagging anybody off. That's how the industry works. But everybody says, yeah, when Katabatic says 30 degrees, it's probably like 25 or 20 comparable to some of their competition. So let's open this thing up carefully. I don't really even want to, there we go. That's all I was looking for. All those years in warehouses have served me well. Okay, so, Katabatic, you don't get color choices. Who cares? You're gonna be asleep. Why do you care what color your quilt is? If you are the Palisade, this is the color it comes in. Ooh, sticker. Sticker for the bear can. Lots of instructions. This does come with their own cord lock system to, what do they call that? It's like, it's the thing that holds your quilt to the bag. I'll show you. Oh, it's nice. They don't like crush it too much. Wow, this thing is light. So this is the 6-foot wide version. Total weight on this, this is 850 fill power duck down. And it's 2¼ inches of loft on each side. Like I said, it is the wide version. I like to have a little space. I'm about 5'11" and this big. Okay, comes with, ooh, sweet, that must be still nylon. Oh, and it's nice, they give you the little loop so that when you grab it, you can actually get it open, because man, this stuff is slippery. Here we go. This is your bag retention system. Cool, cool. Cotton, big cotton sack. This is to put it in when you're not taking it with you. God, that's bigger than my backpack. Well, that's pretty awesome. I might even grab some of these from my other bags. It's a nice, I believe it's like organic cotton. Pretty cool. Okay, away with the sharp stuff. Wow, this just weighs nothing. So this fabric is, it's Pertex and a different kind of Pertex on the inside. And I would like to tell you which is which, but I forget. Yep, don't wash it. Got it. Okay, cool. One more time with the sharp stuff. Cool, 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 cool. So this is the Elite Series bag, which comes with the closed up, the foot box is sewn shut, like this. On their Flex Series bag, they come flat like a blanket, and then you fold it. There's a clip you can put, which leaves it in sort of like a figure 8 pattern. And then you can also, there's a drawstring, you can pull it to completely close it, which when I get my even colder quilt, I think I'm gonna get a 10 degree as well. I will go with probably that model. I don't know, just because. Man, this thing's just butter soft. Wow, that is nice material. I love it. Okay, so it's got a differential cut. So the inside fabric is smaller than the outside fabric, so it naturally holds it in this shape, as opposed to in a blanket shape where the top and the bottom are the exact same width. For this one, the inside is shorter, so it pulls it around like this. Man, that is nice. Ooh, it feels good. It does have a snap closure that goes behind your head. It has these mitten hooks as well, which is like your primary cord clip system, and then it has these cord locks which go on this 2mm cordage. It does also have this, which would clip under your back, I think, lower down. So what I'm told is the best way to get in this guy is to just put your feet in, bring it up, grab snaps. You can snap that, put it over your head, come around like this. Oh man, this thing is so warm. And then, wow, this thing is hot. Oh my, whew. No kidding. All right. Oh, also, it has this thick baffle right here that's a neck collar, so you can cinch that down and it'll, I don't know, under your beard, I would guess, and it will puff it up around your neck. Ooh, man, that is toasty. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so that's what she looks like. Oh yeah, it almost touches behind in the back. So good. The wide width was a good choice. I'm going to attach this to my sleeping pad and we'll take a look at that. I'm just going to roll this around on the floor, make sure it's got enough cat hair on it. Ready? Okay. Got you right down at eye level with my Thermarest Neo Air X Lite. Just so you can see this attachment system here. So they give you 2 pairs of cords to attach, like that. I just have one hooked on here. So you have a few choices for how you want to put this together. One is, you have this hook here, and that just goes on this. And when you get it where you want it, and you have it underneath you, you can take this secondary clip, which is just a mitten hook, and put this on the cord. And that'll take the load then. It keeps this middle part from moving, and you're set. What I will probably do is put a mark on your sleeping pad so you know where these cords go if you're gonna use them. I know a lot of people don't even use these. They just tuck the quilt under them, call it good. But this is pretty cool. Yeah, and otherwise, just use it on your pad if you want to let your arms hang out. The other thing they give you is they give you these 2 straps. And the thing you can do with these straps, if you just want to use it like more of a traditional type sleeping bag, where these cord locks are here, there's a fabric loop right there that is sewn in that you can then feed this through here and here and snap it together. So, and then these are adjustable so you can cinch that thing right down on you. Boy, I can't wait to get this thing outside. So it comes with this buckle down low by the foot box. And then you can put 2 more of those straps on it, here and here. You got this snap up here. You got this overstuffed collar. You can kind of see how the collar is rounded here to keep that up against your neck. Man, I'm telling you, look at that thing just poof up. excited about this. I wish it was colder. I also wish it wasn't pouring down rain. But yeah, so that's our first look. Katabatic Palisade. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Once I get this out in the field, you'll get to see it in action. Fits perfectly on this sleeping pad. Yeah, when this fabric is to die for. So, yeah, any questions or comments, leave them down below. The last piece of my big three that I need to review is my tent. Again, when the weather cooperates and I'm not setting it up in ankle-deep mud, we'll do that. So, that's what I got for now. Katabatic gear, Palisade 30-degree quilt. Do it. It's awesome. So another thing you'll notice about the Katabatic quilt is that it has horizontal baffles. They go this way. A lot of other companies have the vertical ones, which means you can shake the down to this end if your feet are cold, or up towards your chest if you're cold. What this horizontal baffle system allows you to do is, if you take the sides of your quilt up and you shake them, what that does is that'll put more down on top of you to keep you warmer. That way. And that's, you know, personal preference. What I do love though is, I mean, fresh out of the box, and this thing is just right into its own shape. It knows exactly what it wants to be. It's gonna be awesome. I am dying to get this out. So, yeah, horizontal baffles was the other thing I wanted to point out. Doesn't it just make you want to go sleep outside though? Really? Come on. Also, proof that it fits in this teeny tiny stuff sack. That's my pillow. This is how big this thing is when it's packed. And I'm about to weigh it. So I'll let you know what the weight is here in just a second.